Hi, in today's quick vid I'm going to show you how to add a subdomain onto your site and then also install WordPress onto that subdomain. So you might do that because you want to build a new site or you just want to build a test site and it won't interfere with your live site. So first of all, log into Cpanel. This is what Cpanel looks like for anyone who's never been in Cpanel before. Then we scroll down to Domains and then click on the subdomain icon. I'm going to call my subdomain quick vids. Obviously, if you've got more than one domain, then you need to choose the correct domain name that you want the subdomain to go onto. Once you've done that, then you can click the create button, and this might take a couple of minutes to process. Okay, so that's done. So then we can hit the home button. That'll take us back to the main screen. Now what we want to do is install WordPress on that subdomain. So if you scroll down, you'll see software and then you'll see the WordPress icon. So click on that. We don't have any installations here, so I'm just going to click install for a fresh copy. Now you want to make sure that you choose your subdomain. Like whatever you do, don't overwrite your live website. We're going to choose the HTTP without the S because obviously I don't have a SSL certificate installed ready for that just yet. So you can leave the site settings for now. All we want to do is put in our username. So I'm going to choose develop and then I'm going to choose the generate password option. And I'm going to copy that and paste that in somewhere safe so I can actually log back into the website. I'm going to put my correct email into that section, and then down the bottom I always put my email in here as well, so it will email me my installation details just in case I forget. So then click install and that should process fairly quickly. Hopefully we don't get any errors. And there you go. So now you've got the link to the website, which is the first one. So you click on that and just double check it. And then you've got the admin link. So if you click on that, and then you can log in and just start building your site. And there you go. We just installed a subdomain and then added WordPress to that subdomain. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.